Today's recipe is vegan gluten-free blueberry muffins. Okay, in our bowl we have our gluten-free flour, and we're going to add our sugar, our baking powder, and our salt. And we're just going to whisk that until it's all incorporated. Then we'll set this aside and we'll work on our wet ingredients. So we'll add our non-dairy milk. A soya milk or an almond milk work great. Our oil. Our non-dairy yogurt. I used a coconut yogurt for this. We'll add our vanilla and some lemon juice. And we'll stir this and incorporate this all. Make sure it's well mixed together. This recipe is really easy to make. It doesn't take much time at all. You can do this first thing in the morning. Now we'll add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And we'll stir this and incorporate this. We don't want to overmix it, so just stir it until there's hardly any flour left seen. Then we'll add our blueberries that I've tossed with some gluten-free flour. This just prevents the blueberries from sinking in your muffins. And we'll gently fold this in our mix. Again, we don't want to overmix this. Alright, we'll place this into our muffin tin that's been greased. This makes 12 nice sized muffins. Once we've placed all the batter in our tin, just going to top it off with some extra blueberries. Now, if you don't have blueberries, you could use another fruit, blackberries, raspberries. This would make a great different muffin. Place it in an oven at 425, then turn it down to 375 after 5 minutes. And enjoy. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.